Welcome to the much-anticipated Amrit Ocean Resorts. We received an exclusive tour from Spa Director Akram as they prepared for their grand opening.
The third floor is the spa reception desk, entrance, retail, Matthew Kenny restaurant, vegan food. Then the fourth floor, the whole fourth floor, treatment rooms, relaxation area and 25 treatment rooms. The second floor, we have the fitness spaces. It starts here with a terrace for the fitness spaces, classes, outdoor yoga terrace classes, and integrated wellness side. We have IV lounge here, these windows. You go down to the first floor, we have the hydrothermal experience. Use the unique experience that have co-ed sauna, co-ed steam, co-ed salt room, cold plunge, reflexology. 2 locker rooms with access to the beach. These terraces are private terraces, so male and female locker rooms has a jacuzzi, private terrace, also separate, so you have co-ed and separate gender.
Integrative wellness here is huge. Imagine this space with a lounge, inside and outside, with full panoramic view of the ocean. There's also a huge sauna and a cold plunge that goes down to 40 degrees, along with a salt inhalation room, acupressure walk with hot and cold stones, and an IV lounge for recovery. An exclusive room with a Theralite 360 Plus where you can boost energy, improve quality of life, and fight oxidative stress. They even have a hyperbaric chamber where you can get oxygen for at least 45 minutes to elevate oxygen levels in your blood to 100% and aid in your body's ability to recover and heal. There's an indoor-outdoor pool called the Ayush, where we'll be having our spa party at Destination Wellness. Can't wait for that. Honestly, you can't escape the view of this beachfront property. Don't miss this new retreat where relationships and connections are fostered through intimate conversations and wellness experiences at one of the best destination spas in the world. Join us for the new Amrit Ocean Resort for Destination Wellness, a business retreat by Live Love Spa.